Hello guys, today is the second day of our speaking challenge in English. Salam hemende. Bugün speaking challenge'imizin ikinci günü. Öňe aýdyp geçmede 30 günläp 60 sekunddan ingliz diline geplerdi. So today's topic is going to be about motivation and discipline. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline stays. Motivation is emotional, and if you just rely on motivation, you can't be successful in your life. For example, successful people don't need motivation to fulfill their dreams. They just rely on discipline. Because even if the motivation goes, you can just do the same thing even if you don't feel like doing that. It's so simple. For example, you don't need any motivation to brush your teeth in the morning. You do it because it's part of your time. It's part of your life. It's discipline. And I believe the success also works the same way. And in conclusion, I want to tell that motivation helps you start, but discipline helps you finish. Thank you guys watching up to the very end. And inneki tema näme hakda bolsun kommentar edebilirler. Thank you.